Welcome! In this video, we are going to learn how to disable the dark mode in Word. Hello, my name is Mark and you are watching the Office Master tutorial. Office Master is here to help you learn how to use Microsoft Office in quick and simple step-by-step tutorials. The dark mode is very popular given the amount of time we look at the computer screen. It helps to reduce eye strain and accommodate light sensitivity. However, not everyone is a fan of dark mode, and for some of us, it may increase eye strain in brightly lit conditions and make the text less readable. That's why they prefer to disable it. However, dark mode will be disabled across all the Microsoft Office apps. You cannot keep dark mode active in Word and disable it in Excel, for example. First, navigate to the File tab and click the Account button. Under the Office theme, click on the drop-down box, select Colorful option. Navigating to the main document, we can see that in colorful mode, the previously dark page color is now white. If you found this tutorial helpful, reward us with a like. Is this your first time on our YouTube channel? We would be more than grateful to welcome you to our community, so hit the subscribe button to enjoy more of our videos and learn how to master Word. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.